Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple Chinese style steamed tofu dish. In Cantonese we call this 청양 tofu. Although it is very quick and easy to make, it is very delicious. So first let's prep the tofu. I'll be using silken tofu for this recipe. First I'm going to remove this plastic layer on the surface of the packaging. Remove the plastic layer. Then flip the tofu onto a heat-proof plate. Now I'm going to snip off the corners of the packaging. It's going to be much easier to remove the tofu. Now gently press the top and the sides of the tofu. Remove any excess water. Once the water in the wok comes to a boil, place the tofu on the steam rack. Steam on high heat for about 5 minutes. While the tofu is steaming, let's prep the sauce. Now, the key to this sauce is the shallot oil. I usually have a bottle ready in my pantry. You can either make it yourself or buy it from the supermarket. Now, once you have that ready, it literally takes 5 minutes to make this dish. Cut the shallot into thin slices. Try to cut them as evenly as possible so it cooks at the same time. Set them aside. Now before you start making the shallot oil, prepare a heat-proof bowl and a sieve. Now pour in some oil into a pot. You can use any neutral oil. Add in the shallots. Start with medium heat. Give it a good mix so that the shallots don't clump up. You don't have to stir continuously, just stir as often as possible so that it cooks evenly. Okay, once the shallots shrink quite a bit and the edges turn slightly golden brown, reduce to the lowest heat. Okay, once the shallots turn slightly golden brown, immediately transfer to the bowl. The key is not to cook until the shallots turn golden brown in the pot because the residual heat will continue to cook the shallots. When you're making the shallot oil, just make sure you don't burn the shallots. When it is burned, it will taste bitter. It is better to undercook than to overcook. Now let's prep the sauce. 2 tablespoons of shallot oil. You can adjust the amount of oil to your liking. Some light soy sauce. Some dark sweet soy sauce. Oops, too much. Give it a good mix. Okay, the tofu's done. After steaming, you'll notice water on the plate. You can either throw it away or just leave it as is. I don't normally throw it away because firstly, the plate is hot and it doesn't really affect the flavors that much. Pour the sauce over the tofu. Garnish with some spring onions. Some crispy shallots. Okay, the tofu is done. I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna pour a bit more sauce onto the tofu. It's savory, fragrant, it goes really well with rice. Do try it, and I hope you like it. See you in the next video.